3, 2, 1.
Hello, greetings to you guys. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to you from wherever you're watching this video. Welcome to KUCOIN apps and airdrops. Today I'm going to be teaching you on how you can participate on green network airdrop. It's a great project and it tends to do fine in the future. Now, for those of you who probably miss out in Avive and core and other great airdrop, and you don't want to miss this opportunity, so I wouldn't want you to procrastinate. Immediately you watch this video, just begin the process by creating your account. Now, before we create an account, what is green network? According to the information here, it says green network, a decentralized network. The green network, as the cornerstone of web 3.0, will become the new gateway to the web 3.0 world by assuring the freedom of individual choice, giving participation, and making the web 3.0 world accessible to each participant. Now, you can read more of the information here if you click on more. Now, if we scroll further, you can see it says GRC network, which is green network coin. Airdrop is the reward for pioneers who have joined our project and help us spread the project to the community. Quickly register an account and receive rewards every day. Don't miss this rare opportunity. Now, if we scroll further, you can see the airdrop distribution. It says, do I have to pay any fees? You know, most times some airdrop would request you pay gas fee and before you can claim. I usually don't encourage that, because any airdrop most times encourage you pay gas fee before you can claim your airdrop. It is scam. Now, you can see that of ICE, you didn't pay any gas fee, but you just have to ensure you pass your KYC. That of core even had to give those that mine their airdrop gas fee. Then there are some other airdrop that did fine, and Remitano also, and some other airdrop which I can't start listing for now. Most important thing here, the questions here says, do I have to pay any fee? It says you will not have to pay any fee to receive your coin. At the appropriate time, we will distribute GRC to the address where you will have to provide it to us. However, you and your referrer will have to verify KYC. The reward you receive from referrers who did not complete their KYC will be erased. So that means if you invite someone to join, you also have to ensure they are consistent in their mining and they also pass their KYC, so that you don't lose whatever you earn from then by joining the platform. Now, let's look at their roadmap. We have phase 1, the first quarter of 2024, phase 2, the third quarter of 2024, then phase 3, the fourth quarter of 2024, and the phase 4, the first quarter of 2025. Now, it's not a very long project, but if you're looking at it from now, it's still a bit far. But I want to tell you something about crypto. Crypto is not actually something you rush into. You have to be patient sometimes so that you can get the best out of it. Now, let's look at the menu here. We have the menu at the header section, top right. When you click on the menu, we have some important information here. We have like login. If you already have an account, you click on login and you have to input your information so you can log in. Now, but for the purpose of this tutorial, those of us that don't have an account, you have to click on register. And if, for example, you have registered and logged in before and you can't remember your password, you click on forget password. Now, you can also download this application on Google Play Store, Apple Store, and the Android APK version. Then here we have also their contracts, roadmap, white paper, and documents. Now, you could take your time and read through this information so you can understand what this project is all about. The next thing for us to do, for the purpose of this tutorial, let's click on register. Now, when I click on register, it brings me to this current interface. And what you have to do, you have to enter a valid email address which you have access to. And what I mean by having access to your email, you should know your password. Now enter your password, reconfirm your password, and this your referral code is automatic, you can't erase it. They want to be sure you are human and you are not a robot. So I'll be dropping a link below this video which would enable you to register. So after you've done that, you also have to do this captcha that to determine if you are not a robot. So you have to do that, and when you pass it, the next thing you have to do, you click on submit. So I will have to pause this video and input my information so we can continue the process together. Now after which I've input my information, I'll click on submit. It says success, continue. The next thing you have to do, you have to navigate to member login. So you click on that link. Now, so what you have to do, you have to input the information which you use to register. So you input your email and your password, which I've input my email and my password, and I clicked on login. It directs me to this next interface. So if you are opening this site for the first time, this is how it will display. So there's an indication here, we should click on this to this date which I joined the platform. I'll click on it. Now it indicates, says success, you have received 200 JROC today. That means by joining the platform, you tend to receive 200 JROC. You know, as time goes on, I believe that quantity may be reduced, but it's good you register on time. Now if we scroll further, we don't have any information. What we only have here on the footer section is invite. So according to the information here on the footer section, it says today is Thursday, 7th March 2024, and it says basic daily reward, we have 100 here. Then basic reward upgrade is 0. So for us watching this video now, if for example you want to invite, you click on this invite link, and what you have to do, you send this to your friends and loved ones. If you want to invite them, you send them this link so they can join, and you can also send them this referral code. It's a must, someone has to join with the referral code, or you can send them this QR code. You just screenshot and send to those, they'll scan and join through your QR code. Now let's go back to the home page by clicking on this green network icon. It brings us back to this main page. So for us to access our dashboard, we'll click on this menu on the header section. Now here on this menu, we have some information. We have airdrop, we have dashboard, we have security, we have referral, we have KYC, we have my logs, then we have account deletion. Now if we click on airdrop, it brings us to this first page which we get to see, and if I click on that, this 7th, it says failure, you have already marked today. So each day you come to this website, you have to be collecting your reward daily. So if I'm coming tomorrow, I'll click on 8, and if I'm accessing this site next tomorrow, I'll click on 9, and if I'm accessing it after next tomorrow, I'll click on 10. So that's just how you have to be doing it. Now let's come back to our dashboard. Now let's click on the dashboard and see what we have. Now when we click on the dashboard, it brings us to this current interface where we have our GRC account balance. Now it says unusable balance, your balance is not valid for now. You can only see your score, but you can't use it. Okay, to my best understanding, you can stake what you have here in your balance. You can increase the percentage, 40, 60, 80, 100. Now you have duration of 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, and we have 1 year, 2 years. That's just it. So after you've done that, you can click on commit. That is if you want to stake what you have in your accounts. Now for you watching the video, for you to receive what you've earned, you have to put your ERC20 address, and after you've done that, you click on save. So let's go back to the menu. Now when we come to menu, the next information we have here is our security. When we click on security, it brings us to where we have our information. You can authenticate this app with Google Authenticator. Then here it display your email. You can also change your email if you want to. Then you can change your password and input new password and reconfirm the new password and click on submit. So let's come back to the menu again. Now here on the menu, the next information we have is referral. Now we'll click on referral. Now referral brings us to where we have information of those we refer. That means when we refer someone, the information would actually display here. From what I consider, it will display on this table, this chart here. So if you refer someone and they tell you they have joined, it will display their information here. Okay, so let's go back to the dashboard, and the next information we have KYC. Let's check what we can do on KYC. Now it says this site can't ask for your permission. Try again. Allow. Cancel. I have to do that. Now for you to do your KYC, you have to input your ID card. You have to use a government verified ID card. If you are from Nigeria, you can use your NIN or your driver's license or your international passport. Then you copy the ID number and put here. After which you've done that, you click on next. In my next video, I'll be doing on how we can validate our KYC verification for this current application. So if we come to menu, back, we have my logs. Now here on my logs, we have airdrop, distribution, freeze and withdraw. So it will display information of what you've been doing in your accounts. And the last information we have here, we have account deletion. That is if you want to delete your account, but I'm not going to do that. And we have sign out. Now we also have other application if you want to download it. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video. If it's been helpful to you, do ensure you register on time. Don't procrastinate in taking this decision, and I know as time goes on you would be happy you participate in this airdrop. Okay, thank you. If this is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, do click on the subscribe button and also click on the bell notification icon. I remind your friend Desmond on KUCOIN apps and airdrops. Do have a wonderful day and bye for now.